using an and tool. There are two templates we can use to import debtors into OfficeCentral. To use the first template, go to Accounting, select Revenues, and then under Debtors, click Import Template 1. Compare your Excel data with the page information. Define each column correctly, from registration number until contact person phone. Upload your Excel file by clicking the Choose File button and select the file. Once you have done, click Import. Please note that if your data is more than 1000, the system will process the import in the background. You may only see the changes in database or results of imports after 24 hours. You can view lists of your debtors by going to Accounting, under Revenues, Debtors, and then click View List. To use the second template, go to Accounting, select Revenues and Debtors, and then click Import Template 2. You can download Excel format for reference by clicking this button. Fill in necessary information of your debtors in the Excel file. Make sure you save as the Excel file and fill in the Excel document name. Select the correct number of start row number. To upload the file, click Choose File and choose the correct Excel file. Once you have done, when you click Upload Excel here button, the debtors will be imported and notification will appear on top of the page saying how many accounts have been successfully imported into the system. Thank you for watching.